Welcome to Baz Travels. After driving 14,826 kilometers through 24 states and Washington, D.C., I've seen rocket launches to the Grand Canyon and Hoover Dam. I've explored Route 66, ghost towns, deserts, snow, and beaches on both coasts. From Vegas casinos to Alcatraz, the White House to Hollywood. Join me for a journey of the ordinary and the extraordinary.
Loading destination. Simulation starting in 3, 2, 1. To look around, move your phone or tablet. Click and drag if on a computer or move your head if using a VR headset. Please like and subscribe.
Harrahs, Las Vegas is one of the Strip's longest standing resorts, known for combining a classic casino style with modern entertainment. The property originally opened in 1973 under a different name, the Holiday Casino, built beside the original Holiday Inn. Its early theming resembled a riverboat, reflecting the Midwest roots of the Holiday brand. In 1992, the resort underwent a major transformation and was rebranded as Harrahs, adopting the name of one of the most influential companies in the gaming industry. Harrahs Entertainment, the company behind the brand, has been expanding rapidly across the United States since the 1980s. The Las Vegas location became its flagship on the Strip, representing a shift from regional riverboat casinos into full-scale resort operations. Over the years, Harrahs Las Vegas grew through multiple renovations, each update reshaping the façade, casino floor, and entertainment offerings to reflect the company's broader vision. The exterior design noticeably changed in 1997, moving away from the riverboat theme and towards a bold carnival-style frontage. The large sculpted faces, bright colors, and decorative motifs created the identity most people associated with Harrahs for more than a decade. Later cosmetic updates modernized the appearance again, giving the builder cleaning lines and a more contemporary approach, while still keeping elements of its playful character. Inside, Harrahs became known for its entertainment partnerships. Shows, musical residencies, and comedy acts became the core part of the experience. The resort has hosted long-running productions and headliners, contributing to the property's reputation for accessibility, an entertainment lineup aimed at a broad audience rather than niche themes. The piano bar and smaller performance spaces also became a signature part of the resort, adding personality to the casino environment. Harrahs is also significant because of its role in the larger Caesars Entertainment portfolio. When Harrahs acquired Caesars in 2005, the combined companies became one of the largest gaming corporations in the world. The Las Vegas property continued to operate under the Harrahs name, but it effectively became part of the wider Caesars ecosystem, connecting a network of resorts, loyalty programs, and entertainment platforms across the Strip and beyond. The recent rebrand of the parent company into Caesars Entertainment kept Harrahs as a key legacy brand in its lineup. Architecturally, the property sits in one of the most densest parts of the Strip, surrounded by interconnected walkways, monorail access, and adjacent resorts. This location helps define its identity, a mid-strip resort designed for its easy flow between casinos, dining areas, and entertainment corridors. Its layout, casino floor design, and street-level frontage all supported that role.
Simulation terminated. Please comment, like and subscribe.